Smart Coffee Warmer, BESTINNKITS Auto On-Off Gravity-induction Mug Warmer for Office Desk Use. Candle Wax Cup Warmer Heating Plate, up to 131 F55C. Easy to use, 19-watt mug warmer for use with coffee, tea, milk, hot cocoa or your candle wax. Built-in gravity induction switch with indicator light. No need to turn it on/off manually. Warm your beverage at a desirable temperature, 131.55. For suitable mug, a thin-walled, flat-bottomed mug will have the best warmth-retaining performance. The weight of your mug needs to be over 0.8 pounds, 13 ounces, to activate the gravity induction switch. Waterproof design, the heating plate was covered with a layer of thermal conductive glass without need for security concern for occasional spill, and it is easy to clean. Safe and reliable, FCC UL certificate, backed by our 24 months warranty. Get this coffee warmer risk-free. Best gift choice, beautiful and compact design, keep your beverages always warm. It will be your best gift choice to show your care to your families, lover or friends on Valentine's Day, Thanksgiving, Christmas or other special occasions. Included components: 1x mug warmer plate, 1x user manual. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.